Where did this pile of banana peels come from?
That's where the pile of peels came from.
I guess she's
These
done.
peels are a mess. I think it's
Nope.
time to clean up and green up around here. Shirley? Do you need some help cleaning up your acorn tops?
I don't think so. Why?
Well, they're kind of hanging out your window.
Maybe I should tidy up a little bit.
I have to check in the outdoors and then come back and help. What's the training mission today, Speedy?
I've got a great idea.
No, I've got a great idea.
No, I do.
Maybe one great idea at a time?
What's your idea, Penny?
The island needs a clean out.
That's my idea.
Oop, oop, oop.
There's stinky, slippery, gooey bugs all over the jungle.
Salty's dock has a bunch of trash washing up around it.
Shirley's treehouse is full of acorn caps. Oh, which one should we clean? Well, it's so much easier than Speedy. Why don't we work together and clean up the whole island at once? Now, that sounds like a mission.
Okay, Top Wing Cadet. Time to earn your cleanup
You're a
and
funny
green up
girl.